Hi guys and welcome back, and today video will be about steps prior to the investigation. I am pretty excited that you are viewing this video because you have reached a milestone which is ahead of many different things. Like you have reached a stage where you can now start the investigation and you have understood a lot of things up to here about the digital forensics. And now we'll be talking about the steps prior to the investigation. So we are jumping into the investigation of digital forensics, and we will be going further into the investigation. So you should be understanding that you need to understand which steps you should be following. So first of all, to become a digital investigator or a digital forensics examiner, you should know that you should have a computer and you should have a data recovery lab, and that lab should be equipped with all the tools for the data recovery and digital forensics. So it can be a multiple number of computers, and it can be a multiple number of things which you will be needing. So and further on the second step, you should have a team of investigator. This is not a one man thing. Like if you are only a one person doing the investigation, this is a no, I will say that this is not a one man show. You need a proper team of investigator. Then you should have an understanding of the policies and laws of that country. So as I told before and talked about it, every different country has different policies and law, and you should be knowing those laws and you should investigate accordingly. Then when you are making up this agency, then you have to notify the decision makers who will be notified about the investigation, and you should get any necessary approval to start the investigation, and you should go to the incident place, because you will be a company that will be representing, and you will be a lab that will do the data recovery investigations. So you should have all the necessary approvals to do that. Then you should have a investigation toolkit, and you should build it yourself. It will be like you will be mix of many different software, and you will have different tools to investigate that data. Other than that, when you are going to a crime scene, then you should have other equipment that should not disturb the incident or the place, and you can also need different fingerprints, and you will also need other things. So you should have a proper gloves, and you should have a fingerprint collection methods. You should have other things which can be useful, because as most of the crime scenes you will see that involves both murder and digital forensics. So you will be needing both of those things, and you will also help the local authorities and police. So you should be knowing that you have to create an investigation method, and you should have an investigation checklist, and you should assign different investigation roles to your team. So all will be working on different roles and different work, so this work can be done in a fast manner. So basically these were the basic steps before you start the investigation, and this is very important that you should follow these steps to go into any investigation. If you will jump all of a sudden into the investigation, then you will not have any clear idea what you will be doing. So there are many things that will be done prior to the investigation, and thinking about that scene or that crime location, and you will work accordingly. That can also involve the logistics and many other things. So this video was up to here, and I hope so you have understood this topic, and we have moved up to a place where we can jump into further investigation of digital forensics. So stay updated, and like and subscribe to my channel and share to other people. Thank you.